back to our YouTube channel. We are
Charlotte
and Princess from the Tankam Team, and today we're going to give you a little tips that will really help you in your daily and future.
To start off, did you know that snacking during the day is not a very good habit? When you're taking snack during your fasting time, which is basically the time where you're not eating any food and instead your body is resting to make you feel healthy and happier. During that time, it's very easy for your insulin to spike up because your insulin has been waiting for sugar all day long. I know it's hard to resist to seafood and don't grab it and eat it, but you have to resist if you don't want a high insulin. We will give you guys some tips later so you can resist to that temptation.
When you have unstable insulin, it makes want you to eat even though you're not hungry. According to some research, a high level of insulin can cause health problems in your body like inflammations, fatty livers, heart disease, diabetes, damage of nerves, high blood pressure, anxiety, and concentration problems.
To help you guys avoid these problems and have a great life, we have a good tip for you, which is to eat a healthy fatty dessert after every meal. Eating a fatty dessert will make your stomach full in order you will not feel hungry after a couple hours, and you will be satisfied when you eat a dessert that you like a lot. So today, Princess and I decided to show you guys a chocolate chip cookie recipe that you can make at home and eat after every meal. These chocolate chip cookies have such a great taste and they're very good for your health and your body. If you want to try at home and eat it after your meal,
these chocolate chips are incredible for your health with his low level of carbs. In addition, they are so delicious. Normal chocolate chips have 30 grams of net carb for one cookie. Keto chocolate chips cookie have 3 net of carbs for 20 cookie. Amazing!
now it's time for the lovely and healthy recipe. like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified every time we upload a new video.
If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask it in the comment section down below.
We will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye.